What we're going to do today is we will have a tutorial on how to hook up a printer to your computer. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the Start button. We will then click on Devices and Printers. And right here you will see a list of already installed printers, and the green check mark means that is the default printer. You can right click on any printer and choose it to be the default. But what we're going to do is we're going to add a new printer. What type of printer do you want to install? Add a local printer. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new port, and the port that we are going to choose is going to be a standard TCP IP port. Click it. Next. Now we type in the host name or the IP address. The IP address can be found on the top of all of the printers in the building, and 95% of all the printers will start with 10.239.110 dot, and then typically the last two numbers is tells you which printer you're choosing from, and in my case I'm going to choose 17, and then we're going to let the queue the printer and automatically select the driver to use. Click on Next. Make sure that's checked. Click on Next. Windows is communicating, and it has found the printer. Type a printer name. That was the address for the computer lab, so you can just rename it. And then click Next. And then you want to make sure that Do Not Share this printer is selected. Click on Next. And you have an option to set it as the default printer or not. I'm going to uncheck that. And you also can click Print a Test Page. And you should be able to go to that printer to find a Windows test page to verify that it is hooked up correctly. Once you receive that paper, click on Finish, and you now see the new printer hooked up. Enjoy your printing.